Good afternoon. I'm on site here at Embedded World 2023, and joining me today is Roger Wendelken, Senior VP, MCU Business Division, Renesas Electronics. We're going to be talking about your microcontroller offerings and company's plans for the future. So could you give us a brief introduction to yourself?
Sure. Thank you for having me. Yes, I'm the SVP GM of our MCU Business Division in our IoT and Infrastructure Business Unit. Essentially all the commercial MCUs, not automotive MCUs for Renesas.
Okay, excellent. And just tell us a bit more about Renesas as well.
Sure. Renesas is a large semiconductor company with a big solution offering from analog and power, automotive business, of course. We last quarterly was 390 billion yen. So we'll talk yen since it's a Japanese semiconductor company, growing 25%, just about 25% year over year. So.
Okay, excellent. We're hearing a lot about Renesas MCUs part of the business. Can you explain a bit more about that?
Sure. So Renesas core business, one of our core businesses is the MCU business. When you look at Renesas in total, we're the number one 16 and 32-bit provider in the world.
Okay.
We ship, as a combined company, a little over 9 million units a day of MCUs. And in my group, it's, a little over half of that. So, it's a big operation. It's something we're going to continue to invest more in.
Okay. Well, could you tell me a bit more about the MCU families you offers for commercial applications?
Yeah, sure. So there's really three big families we offer. So one would be the RL78, which is our 16-bit. It's one of the top shares in the world. Ultra low power, thousands of options in those devices. Extremely cost efficient, ranging from motor control to HMI applications, and overall just general purpose. We also have our RX line, which is a Renesas developed 32-bit, giving you the highest core mark megahertz per megahertz, excuse me. And finally, the RA family. And the RA family is made up of several devices built around the M23 core from ARM, the M33 core, M4 core, and soon the M85, which we're showing samples of now.
Okay, excellent. And can you comment on the SW platform offerings?
I'm sorry?
The SW platform offerings?
Sure. On the software side, we have what we call our FSP package, which is our flexible software package. It provides developers a quick and versatile way to bring their embedded software to market. It works with the key RTOS, the Microsoft Azure, Amazon Free RTOS. It's got the middleware stacks that go along with that, as well as true and tested HAL drivers that are high performance and don't take up much memory.
Okay, excellent. And you mentioned you brought a couple of offerings to Embedded World. So is there anything special you'd like to mention to people who swing by your booth?
Yeah, sure. So we're showing several things at our booth. So please come by in Building 1. So one of the things is with our Reality AI acquisition, which is for AI software, we can build the model, deploy the model. We're showing an RA6T2 motor control device that you can, with the AI application, you can sense unbalanced load, for instance. And this is in a very low cost MCU. We're also showing our newest RL78, which again was our 16-bit part, the G23, in the very low cost, low power application around air quality sensor, temperature, and cap touch. We're showing another RA6 device controlling a robot, the servo motors in a robot, which is a very interesting application. And perhaps the most exciting is we're showing several applications around the new CM85 core, which will be a soon part of the RA family. And some really interesting AI applications around that. One being people detection, and another being motor failure detection. Now, when I'm talking about AI, our intent is to bring AI to the masses, and the way to do that is to deliver it in an easy way for customers to implement it, but also at a very cost-efficient way. And that's what we're showing is what typically people may have thought you needed high-end MPUs, we are now doing in cost-efficient MCUs with these AI applications.
Wow, exciting stuff. Well, it's been a pleasure speaking with you, and thanks for taking the time to give us your insights, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.